Well, I'm here just to say that everybody from New York, just by being from New York, it's just what it is. And New York is in every state across the country. Real talk.
Could only be one place like this. It's good to be home. Yeah. On these yellow cabs, well I'm home now and we made it. I live a lifetime in each nighttime and I'm feeling like I'm still faded. From the 1,000 miles that I left behind, getting by about as far as I can take it. Feeling so good when you do it like you should, yeah baby, I promise you, you won't fake it. I hope you know that this is a life for me. So give yourself into the night. Gonna party in New York. And I never stop, so every night feels like I'm dreaming.